Hello, my name is Cherilyn Trilles. So, first question is why education is important to you? Education is important to me because this is my missing piece. In my life, I've missed out a lot of opportunities due to lack of education. So, number two questions are, what are the characteristics you need to finish your studies? I need two characteristics only. So first is the discipline to help me persevere, and second is self-motivation to enable me to manifest my dreams. So the third question is, what are your thoughts, perspective when you hear this statement? Why should I bother myself going to school when in fact it doesn't teach us how to be rich? My thought is that how can you be rich if you are not knowledgeable? Number 4 question is that what advices can you give to the young minds, people, the importance of education? So my piece of advice are in acronym of PEACE. So letter P, perseverance, because it will enhance our knowledge. Letter I, interaction, because you will learn different perspective. Letter E is enrichment, because it can enhance social and emotional learning and it helps manage our mental health. Letter C is cultivation. For our personal growth, it supports personal development and boosting our self-esteem. And last one is empowerment. It helps improves engagement. So these are my piece of advice. Just remember the acronym of PEACE, because if you will not continue your study in the future, it will be your missing piece. So the last question is, how your experience so far as a student of AMA University Online Education? It was a great experience because a huge opportunity for those who are looking for their missing piece. Thank you so much.